Hello students, my name is Kritika. I am your computer digital mentor. Today we are going to learn about chapter number 2 of class 3rd, that is hardware and software. So students, before we start our chapter, let's have a quick look on some lesson objective. Hardware, software and types of software. So students, now we have some warm-up questions. Our first question is, label the parts of the computer. Here you can see a picture of computer. You have to label all the parts of the computer. So let's start our chapter. Computer is a wonderful machine that reduces brain effort of humans. Data are raw facts and figures. Meaningful data are called information. A computer system has different parts that together make it work. These parts are grouped in hardware and software. Now students, here you can see a figure in which computer divided into two parts, that is hardware and software. So students, before we start our chapter, let's know an interesting fact. Tim Patterson designed the original DOS programming for personal computers. Now our first topic is computer hardware. All parts of the computer that we can touch and feel are called hardware. कंप्यूटर के उस पार्ट को जिसको हम टच कर सकते हैं या फील कर सकते हैं उसे हार्डवेयर कहते हैं. Hardware includes all the input and output devices such as keyboard, mouse, joystick, light pen, monitor, printer and etc. Also the hardware of the computer. Therefore, we can say that hardware is collection of physical components of the computer which we can touch with our hands. Hardware is a combination of some mechanical parts, some electronic parts and some electric parts. Now students, let's learn about some commonly used hardware parts are follow. First we have keyboard. Keyboard is input device and has keys to enter data and instruction to a computer. It looks like a typewriter. Students, you can see the picture of a keyboard. Now students, next we have mouse. Mouse is an input device which can move the cursor to different items on the screen. You can see the picture of mouse. Next we have CPU. CPU stands for Control Processing Unit that perform all calculation and it's also known as brain of computer. CPU को कंप्यूटर का ब्रेन भी कहा जाता है. Next we have monitor. Monitor is an output device used to display result to the user. It looks like a TV. मॉनिटर एक आउटपुट डिवाइस है जो एक टीवी की तरह दिखाई देता है. नेक्स्ट वी हैव स्पीकर. स्पीकर इज ऑल्सो एन आउटपुट डिवाइस इज यूज्ड टू गेट आउटपुट फ्रॉम कंप्यूटर इन ऑडियो फॉर्म. स्पीकर भी एक आउटपुट डिवाइस है जिससे आउटपुट हमें ऑडियो फॉर्म में मिल सकता है. नेक्स्ट वी हैव स्कैनर. स्कैनर इज एन इनपुट डिवाइस is used to copy a hard copy to computer as per requirement. Next we have printer. Printer is an output device used to print result on paper. Now next we have microphone. Microphone is an input device used to enter input to computer in voice form. Next we have hard disk. Hard disk is a storage device inside CPU box and used to store large amount of data. So students, before we start our next topic, let's know an interesting fact. Alan Turing is known for his contribution towards modern computer. He is considered as the father of the modern computers. Now students, next we have computer software. We cannot touch software to run the computer system. We need to have hardware as well as software in it. Software makes the hardware parts work. Software is a set of instructions stored on disk drives, used DVDs that tell the computer hardware what to do and how to perform a particular job. Display screen of computer shows the soft copy part of software. Now let's learn about difference between hardware and software. Both hardware and software are the important parts of computer. We can say that without hardware, software is nothing, and without software, hardware is a dumb machine. For example, if we have a mouse, a hardware, and don't have a paint program as a software in a computer, we cannot draw, perform any task on a computer. In the same way, hardware is a physical part of computer, but software is a set of program. Hardware works as per given instruction, but a software instructs hardware. Hardware consists of electrical and mechanical components, but software consists of instruction in computer binary language. Now, what is binary language? Let's learn about binary language. A language in form of 0 and 1 is called binary language. Now students, our next topic is types of software. There are two types of software: system software and application software. Now, what is system software? Let's learn about system software. System software is the software which acts like a middleman between the user and the computer system. Without system software, we cannot start a computer. User cannot make change in system software. So students, here you can see some pictures of the example of software. Now, what is operating system? Operating system is a part of system software that makes a computer run. It is the first software which has to be installed on the computer. It manages all the input and output operations. Some popular operating systems are MS-DOS, Windows, UNIX, LINUX, and etc. Now students, our next topic is application software. The software that help us to perform specific type of task is called application software. For example, typing a letter, playing video game, or drawing. These softwares are also known as the tool software, as they act like tools to perform specific jobs. So now let us know some application software. First we have word processing software. We use this software to type, edit, store and print document. For examples, WordStar, MS Word and WordPerfect. Now next we have desktop publishing, that is DTP. This software is used in publishing and printing industry. This is used to design books for publishers. For examples, CorelDRAW, PageMaker, InDesign. Next we have graphical software. This software is used to make greeting cards, banners, book covers and etc. It is used by graphic designers. For example, Photoshop, Paint and etc. Now next we have multimedia software. This software is used to play movies, songs, audio CDs on computer. It is basically used for the audio and video files. For example, Winamp and Windows Media Player. Now students, next we have spreadsheet software. It is used to store data in tabular form. It is also used to do calculations, and preparing reports. For example, MS Excel, Lotus 123. Now students, we have game software. It is used to play games on the computer. There are many game software in the market. It is usually used for entertainment. For example, Solitaire, Ludo, Minesweeper, Dave, and etc. Next we have communication software. This software is used to connect to computer to each other for information exchange. For example, phone dialer and dial-up networking. So students, what we have learned in this chapter, let's have a quick look on some lesson objectives. A computer system is a combination of hardware and software. A computer system हार्डवेयर और सॉफ्टवेयर का कॉम्बिनेशन है. कंप्यूटर पार्ट्स सच एज कीबोर्ड, माउस, मॉनिटर, प्रिंटर, सीपीयू आर कॉल्ड एज हार्डवेयर डिवाइसेस. कंप्यूटर के पार्ट्स जैसे कि कीबोर्ड, माउस, सीपीयू एटसेट्रा, ये सभी एक हार्डवेयर डिवाइसेस हैं जिन्हें हम टच कर सकते हैं और फील कर सकते हैं. सॉफ्टवेयर आर टू टाइप्स, दैट इज system software and application software. Next we have system software is a set of program that controls the overall working of a computer. System software is divided into two parts, operating system and utility software. Next we have the software that is designed to do specific type of work is called application software. It has many types like WPS, GS and SS etc. So students, this is it from this chapter. Soon we are going to learn about many interesting chapters of computer. Till then, revise what we learned today. Thank you.